did you, get here? What did you get here by coming on the earth of Prayagraj on the occasion of Mahakumbh? What did you find, sir, here? Especially,
It's an amazing event. So crazy for us from when we come from Europe. So
Europe.
amazing.
Because thousands of Englishmen and belonging other country come here to take part and understand what the heritage of India and the stream of spirituality, so that we may improvise ourselves. Because life is all about go through difficult periods of time, cut it out, and emerging as a great personality of the world. Yes, sir.
Thanks.
This thing helps us. Spirituality helps us to strike the balance between personal and spiritual life. So this is the special technique of the Vihangam Yoga. Did you join Vihangam Yoga, sir? Are you aware of Vihangam Yoga?
You don't know this tradition?
No.
Because there is a great meditation technique of Vihangam Yoga, which is called sadhana in Hindi.
Okay.
In English, we call meditation. By doing only 10 minutes in the morning and the evening, we can control our mind, which helps us to live perfect life, through which we can be free from tension, stress, and all the illness which is related to mind can be removed easily. So it's a very powerful technique. And UN EcoSoc, which is a very great institution of the world, and UN Habitat certified this institution that it is the one of the greatest meditation of the world. And this is the founder of Vihangam Yoga. This technique is called Sadhguru.
Sadhguru.
Sadhguru Sadafal Devji Maharaj. The full name is Sadhguru Maharshi Sadafal Devji Maharaj, who is the founder. And he has left his body in 1954. Right now, his upcoming generation is carrying on all the systems of Vihangam Yoga. And we are also part of it. And before 4 days before, the 3 days before yesterday, we came here and take training on behalf of the Vihangam Yoga. And in this training, we were taught many lessons. How can we have, and how can we maintain our life in spite of being part of crowd? How can we be different from the crowd?
Okay. Thanks a lot for this explication.
Yes,
Okay.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay.
So